Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Maria Cristina Montevirgin Ayala Yulu Arambulo Araneta Marcos Sobel Ramos Estrada Macapagal Arroyo Aqueno. My purpose in joining this contest is not for the word popularity, but to meet more friends and develop my ability. I love dancing, and so rendering a song as a college graduate would always love to be recognized. Thus, I feel honored and proud in joining this contest. Success is not measured by winning or losing, but the experience you have gained. Thank you.
Pampa. Daw may music. Talent.
The Ifugaos once a very ethnic tribe here in the Philippines, residing at the northern part of the sun can be found. The Banawi rice terraces is called Sugyo. Why are you staring at me? Do you know me? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you send a village tribe? There was a wedding and I was dancing. There was a loud explosion. Fire! Fire! What have you done to my tribe? This is the revenge. The revenge of our lives. Revenge for my people, my brother and sister. I killed them.
Ipak.